Hello again, guys and gals, and car enthusiasts. We are back at it again, and we are getting just a couple things buttoned up with the 3.5-inch speakers, as I promised. Bringing you into the car here, so you can see the speaker has been installed. But I wanted to talk about a couple different things when installing these speakers. If there's speakers in there, or if there's no speakers wired into the dash. There should be a harness or a connector waiting there for you, but if there isn't, you can run your own wires to the back of the radio, which I did. And you can just get some radio wire from AutoZone, Pep Boys, whatever is easier for you. And just some simple tools is all you're going to use. You got your regular crimpers, wire cutters, some scissors, some basic stuff. Got your ratchets, very simple tools. Then your Phillips head. Very simple tools to get this job done. It's easy. You can really upgrade your system with these simple dash speakers. We plan on doing the door ones as well. Right now there's some Polk Audio speakers in there. Those are good speakers as well, but for this particular build we're going to do all Memphis for this Fox. So we're done the driver's side, and we are working on the passenger side. So as you can see, I've installed the speaker already, and this is the only way that it's going in. Other way around, the M is still off for those of you that are OCD like myself a little bit. I didn't do that intentionally, but it's all good. But one thing I do want to show you is when you're running your wire. You're going to run your wire on this side, on the passenger side, from the back of the radio, and then you're going to go right around, right behind the glove box, and very easily right up and underneath the speaker. So it's actually pretty easy to do. Just want to make sure you have everything out of your glove box, and you can pull your glove box down by popping the two tabs on the side. That pops right down. And then you can run your wire right up and underneath it. You can see that? Right up and in to your dash speaker. So it's nice and easy. The speaker goes in with two very simple screws. And then you have your, close that there. Then you have your grill, your speaker grill that goes right on top. And with the speaker grill, it is just one screw on the side. And then there's a couple of tabs. So these tabs just sit right into the dash. You've got one tab here and then one tab there. Just be very careful. All you're going to want to do there when you're doing that is use a flathead, and then you're going to just gently pry it in there and just pop that off after you've taken the screw, which is right on the side on the dash right there. So there's one screw there. Open your door up wide, you'll be good to go. So I've just plugged this in. Let's give it a go. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Give it a kick back here. Appreciate you all tuning in again. I got some more cool stuff coming. Here we go. Let's give it a little sauce. Might be a little hard to hear, but you can kind of hear the bass. We have a 12-inch subwoofer in the back. You can turn the bass down a little bit, but boom. So that's our install. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, feel free to message me directly. Don't forget to give me a follow as well on Facebook and on Instagram at _EM Performance_. I appreciate y'all, and I hope you all have a wonderful night. Take care.